Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be removing the door panel and then subsequently the door mirror from a Skoda Fabia 2015 to 2022. Over here I had a damaged door and what's left of the mirror, but I'm going to be dismantling this and showing you how to remove the door panel and mirror. Starting off, remove the window switch. You can remove it from here or you can remove it after you pull the door panel off, depending on which way you find easier. From the sides, you can pull the window switch with a plastic tool and then unplug the switch by pressing onto the disconnecting piece over there. And then next, underneath the door pull handle, this piece here, there's a little opening. With your flathead middle screwdriver, you'll need to get in there and then pull the cover off. It is held on by clips and it does require a bit of force. And then finally pull it off. Underneath this cover, there will be two torx screws, one over here and one towards the top. So go ahead and remove both torx screws. Next to the bottom of the door panel, there's an opening and there is this nut over here that you don't remove completely. You put it in position so it slots down and you can pull the door panel up. So we'll leave this for now. Next to the door open handle where the speaker is, you'll need to remove this cover, and underneath there is also another little torx screw. After these have been removed, what's left is clips on the inside of the door panel, and these clips can break. You can try removing with a clip remover, but I've broken even with a clip remover in the past. Now, with a plastic tool, I won't recommend using a flathead middle screwdriver unless you have quite a bit of experience, because you can damage the door assembly. But get in between the door panel and door assembly and then detach the clips on the inside. Have some space where you can put your fingers in between and actually pull the bottom part of the door panel out first. And then you want to lift it as you go and then slide it upwards from the window sill. So if you do want to change the door mirror, you do not have to remove it completely, you just need access. Depends on what you want to do. To completely detach the door panel, you'll need to unplug the door speaker, and there's a little opening over there which you'll need to press to unclip the plug. To detach the inner door handle, the locking mechanism is over there, which you'll need to push on with a screwdriver and then it will come off. Here are the clips that hold the door panel in place. You want to get these and put them on the door panel because it just makes refitting easier. Some of them stay on the door panel and some of them on the door assembly. Now, this is why we need to remove the door panel, because the plug for the mirror is over here, running down partially into the door panel. Press on both sides of the plug and then pull it off and it will come out. Now on the inside, there's the inner cover for the door mirror. You want to pull that upwards or push it upwards as it slots down, as you can see. And then what's holding the door mirror in place is a 13mm nut. And when you remove this, the door mirror assembly will come off. Thank you for watching. I hope you have found this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe to support the channel.